Hi, Tyler Interfidelity here, and we're in the Pro-Ject booth. And Heinz Lichtenegger, the president, is going to give us a little tour of their new headphone amp and a couple of their headphones. Hi, Heinz.
Hello.
And would you show us your little headphone amp and the headphones?
Thank you.
Yeah.
So here we have presented our new high-end headphone amplifier. It's called the Hatbox Ts. And what it does is it receives over USB the signal from a computer. It's an asynchronous USB. For sure, you can also go analog in standard way and you have all the digital inputs. You have a lot of information on the display, so it's also very convenient to use it. Yeah? It uses very high-end converters. Yeah, so we use the second best converter on the market. It's the 1792 from Bear Brown. Yeah, it's really, really sophisticated. Yeah, you can listen to the Hear It One. The Hear It One is an old, classy design. But what the idea of the Hear It One is not to redesign a headphone, yeah, because most of the companies, yeah, they spend a fortune for making a fancy design, yeah. So we used the old design, yeah. We used an old classic AKG design, yeah. Used old tools, yeah, but put all nice features in what makes the headphone really sound good. So we have neodymium magnets inside, yeah. We have a very high quality cables, 99 pure copper cable. Then we have designed our own jack, because the jack is very important. Yeah, it's a metal jack.
It is, yeah,
so
very important.
This is the breaking point. Yeah, we have metal caps. Yeah, so that also the headphone cannot be destroyed. We have a very high quality leather band, and the most important part, yeah, are the cushions. Yeah, because the cushions have to be soft and still make it very close to the ear. Yeah,
yeah.
It's very dense. Yeah. So actually, this is the most important, expensive part. Yeah. Also, what we realized is the form of the cushion is extremely important for the sound quality. Yeah. Therefore, we decided at the moment for this oval form, which gives you a beautiful, balanced, warm sound. Yeah. Which is still gives you a deep bass. Yeah. But not too much bass like a lot of headphones at the moment are on the market.
Yeah.
Bass loaded. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we don't like this because we are an audiophile company. We want to have a neutral sound stage. Yeah. And for your information, also we have another cushion because we realized that it is so important. As an SSR, you get also round cushions, and then the headphone is sounding a little bit more like an electrostatic headphone. Yeah? So it's very more mid-band, yeah, more openness. Yeah.
And the price point of the headphone?
The price point for the headphone in US is $129.
And then these are
the little one. The little one, yeah. The idea of the little one is also, as I designed these headphones, yeah, I plugged this headphone. Or let's say I checked a lot of headphones, yeah, and I realized most of the headphones I get on the market, yeah, are not have too less sensitivity for the iPhones, because iPhones or portable phones, they have very bad amplifiers built in. Yeah? So I for my sound, for my taste, I get too less dynamic. So then I said, okay, then let's design a headphone which is, like speakers, have a high efficiency. Yeah. So I made the Hear It 2. The Hear It 2 is a real mobile headphone. Yeah, which we get a lot of power. So it's 170 dB efficiency, yeah, and you can go close to 130 dB power. So it's very, very powerful, yeah, and it's maybe one of the most lightweighted headphones on the market. It's only 77 grams. It's super, super light, yeah. For sure, we don't have the leather band here, yeah, but we have the same cushion technology. We have also neodymium magnets. We have the same cable. We have also the same connector, yeah, and that gives a really, really nice, very dynamic sound. The sound difference to the Hear It One is it's more lightweighted in the sound, like the headphone itself. So it's more fresh, it's more easy to listen. Yeah. It has a little bit less bass, but it's very, very high dynamic.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty good. I spent a couple minutes listening to the small headphone, and at the price point, I thought they were pretty good.
Yeah, thank you.
Heinz, thank you very much for talking with me today, and we'll see everybody at the. Wait a minute. I'm going to show you something. These are another thing of Project 6 is they have all these
stuff. So we have
very small
solutions for everybody. We have DS line, S line. So we have, this is the digital docking station.
Mm-hmm.
So we designed, we were one of the first companies who have digital output, but we converted already. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So the converter is built in, and then we have an own clamping system where you can use also all the iPods, but also iPads. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Which makes it very nice. So it's also with charging. Yeah. And it's a beautiful sound. Yeah. And makes your iPod or iPad much better sounding. Yeah. Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a big fan of desktop systems, and Pro-Ject has tuners, power amplifiers, phono stages. They have a very low cost grade. It's not very good light down this low, and then going up to more expensive.
More high-end DA converters like this one. Yeah. This is our really high-end product. This is the 79.2 pure brown inside, the very best DA converter you can buy for any money. And this is for $500. Yeah. So here you have also the very nice controls and you can have also filter setting. Yeah. This is also asynchronous USB 24192. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's maybe one of the best DA converter you can find at the moment on the market for any money. Yeah.
And they also have little plexiglass cases, so you can stack. Yes. And how many can you?
So we have two systems. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
One is the more Bauhaus system, we call it, yeah? which keeps 2 or 4 pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But you can stack 2 of these.
Yeah.
Can make this or this. Yeah?
Yeah.
But then we have the so-called Butler System. And the Butler System will be made by order, and you can order any combination. So 4x2, 8x1, whatever you want. 8 pieces in one row, 4 pieces, whatever you are thinking about. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, for example, if you're doing DS components and you want to mix it with S, yeah, then you can have this even in different spaces.
Right. Right.
So that you can really mix and match, and they're always very deep, because then you can easily cover all the cables that you don't see the cables.
Right.
You have a perfect cable management.
Right. Fun stuff. I always like coming by the Pro-Ject booth. Thanks very much, Heinz. I really appreciate your time today.
Thank you.
We'll see you at the next booth.